I'm not a tech guru. I'm not I don't know a lot of things about, you know, cameras and quality and all stuff, but I know a little something that. So today I am doing a Canon EOS M50 unboxing, and let's get into it, y'all. I am so happy about this camera. Like, I've been looking at this camera, researching it, looking at all the reviews, all people pros and cons about this camera, and I finally bought it. Like, I was literally this close to buying the Mark II because I was waiting for months to think it back in stock, but it got back in stock. So yeah. Oh my god, this is like another big girl purchase. Like, my biggest purchase I had so far in life is my car, and this is my second big girl purchase ever made. Like, this is crazy. Let's get into it. I've been waiting for months, and I finally got it. And I finally, first thing is to give me the 32 gigabyte SD card. So we have the Rode mic. This is the camera box. Sorry about that. So I got the registration. The manual, the menu, yeah, some things. Oh my god! This is so fucking small. Oh my god. Look how small this is. Like, my hand's like bigger than this camera. Like, okay, I'm glad it's small. Oh my god. I got the oh yeah. Got the charger. Got the strap. I'm gonna add that later. Got the battery. This is so small. I also bought extra batteries because I heard that these things go through fast. So I bought 2 extra batteries. And this is the lens. Get into it. Yeah. Dang, everything's so small. I'm not a tech guru. I'm not I don't know a lot of things about, you know, cameras and quality and all stuff, but I know a little something that. Temporary, close it, open the camera. Woo! We love it here. It's so crispy. Made in Japan. Whoa! Oh, okay. Oh! It's coming. Is the battery dead or something? So this battery dead.
The nigga was too stunned to speak.
So the battery that came with the camera is dead. I'm charging it right now as we speak. Okay, so I bought extra batteries because I'm glad I did. I bought a tripod. I heard good things about this tripod. People. There we go. Okay. Ah! Okay, it's on. I'm about to. I like this. Is this touchscreen? Oh, it's touchscreen! I'm sorry for yelling. It's touchscreen. Ah, okay. Oh, it looks so nice. I don't understand. Like, legit, I've been wanting to do YouTube since like 5th, 6th grade. It's currently 2022 and I am 20 years old. About to be 21 in August. If I would start YouTube in 2012, 2013, baby, I'm about to do a little video. I'm doing a test thing for y'all. So this is my iPhone 11, the regular. This is on the Canon EOS M50 per. I haven't did any settings or any, you know, presets, anything, you know, effects on the camera. It's all. So this is what we're giving the girls, right? I haven't set the camera up officially yet. This is how it looks, how it sounds with no mic, just the mic that come with the camera. I don't get how excited I am right now for this camera. Like, y'all don't get how excited I am right now for this camera. Like, y'all don't get it.